Guys, welcome to my channel. And somebody's coming for today, guys. And they are my best friends, my lovely friends.
How are you, my birdie? I'm excellent, my bestie. Wow, that's great. I really missed you. Really? I miss you too. Come on, let's play together. Yeah, sure. Hey, come on, here. Just a minute. Okay, I'm coming. You are so sweet. My sweetie, I'd like to tell you that I miss you and love you. I miss you too, my sweetheart. I'm going now, my sweetie. And I'm gonna call you later. Got you, sweetheart.
Malungkot ka na, birdie, kasi nag-iisa ka na lang. Oh, malungkot na siya. Tingnan mo. Kasi yung kanyang sweetie umalis na. Naghahanap ng pagkain.
Where will I go
Nag-iisip
now?
siya ngayon kung saan siya pupunta. Sabi niya, saan kaya ako pupunta ngayon? Kasi maghahanap din niya ng pagkain.
My sweetie just left.
Gusto ko sana siyang bigyan ng pagkain. Di naman po pwede kasi mahuhulog naman dyan pag binigyan mo siya ng pagkain. Kaya no choice. Hanggang tingin na lang kay Birdie. Diba Birdie?
I'm gonna go somewhere.
Kasi nag-asawa na siya eh. Maganda talaga maging ibon, Kasi kahit saan ka, pwede kang lumipad. Kahit saan ka pupunta, pwede. Dati lagi akong naginip na lumilipad ako eh. Flying without wings. O, diba? Darna. Shout out to all my wifey friends and thank you all so much for the love and support always. Be positive and kailangan ingat tayo palagi saan man tayo magpunta. And maraming salamat. Bye!